Right, so we have the gate put on place right there. I mean, I went with this style. I wasn't sure because I wanted to make sure it looks clean. Let me know what you guys think with the gate. That's the new gate that is done. All right, so when you come in, paint is also going on right there. That's the gentleman. He is getting the exterior painting done. Inside is done also. So that's what is currently going on right now. All right. Again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel. That's him right there. He is getting things done. At the same time, too, this is also going on. That is for the septic work going on. That is the gentleman. He is getting the septic work done. So kind of like a 3-chamber. The middle, the right side, the left side. So when it's done, he's going to that's the plastering, all of that, yada yada, fill it all in here. That's what they're doing. At the same time too, the exterior painting is going on. I don't know you guys could see it. That is the left side of the house is also going on. I mean, as you guys could see, the scaffolds also going in place. Tomorrow, what we have here will be the tomorrow we're having the pool work done. They have to come in. That's the swimming pool section. They have to come in and then get that side digged, and then we're going to pour concrete in there, and then the block work, and then concrete work with iron rods, all that. Yeah. So then when you come out the back of the house, all the initial work is also being put in place. So that will be the gym that we're having up there getting done. So that will be the pantry right there. So when you come back here, that's how it looks like. It should be all good going. You have no idea where there's a will, there's a way. If I tell you like we have to break this wall, we have to break this wall just to get the pool dug, and then we have to break this wall here. That's the neighbor. We break that wall just to get the septic also done. And again, I tell you, you got to kill 2 birds with 1 stone. That is, you get in the backhoe to do all of that. All right. So that's the thing. Like, if you look at the time, like, guys, he is trying to get it done. He is trying as much as possible. He is trying to get the whole level all in place. So tomorrow will be plastering going on. And if you don't know, now you know. That's what it is. This gentleman, the place he lives, apparently he's selling his house. So if you guys are interested, call him. That's the guy. He wants his commission. I tell you, he doesn't play. All right, so when you come in the front of the house, this is how it looks like. All right, this is how it looks like. The painter is one of the best. I'll leave his number, everything. If you guys need him, I will highly recommend him. He is one of the best. All right, let's go inside, see what he did. So right when you come in here, he did all the plasterboard, that's drywall. He got the whole thing done here, all the 9 yards, everything done. Tomorrow we have concrete work, so we have the cement. So he will come in here, get the whole thing done. So now he's gonna come in, sand. He's gonna sand everything here. He will sand, get it all finished look, and then we're gonna use a good paint on it. So when you come up here too, he did it the way. This kind of like a chill place. You're gonna chill. He did that. Got the whole thing. You have a ceiling fan. You have that light. You have that light. Whatever light you feel like you putting up there, he has that. All right. Dude, they came up nice. He came up nice. If you see this wall, you will think that it's a plasterboard wall, but it's all center block. So here they're getting the touches done. All is done. There's the burglar proof. We have the burglar proof. If you look at the finishing here, they did here the crown molding, the molding right there. You see it? It went all the way there. Got it all done right there. And then we went with the ceiling work here. We went with a simple one. It's getting dark. I'm still here at the site. So here the tile work will go right on top of that. It will be all nicely done, nicely finished. This is just a guest room. This one guest room for a guest when we get a visitor. And then you do have a huge living room. I went with the open floor concept. So the whole kitchen, the whole place, kitchen, pantry. And then right here, you have a huge, so disregard this one here, because that was supposed to be used, but I changed my mind. We're going with something else. So here we're looking to do something under the staircase. All right, so this is the front door that we use. This is going to be the door that we use here. Beautiful. If you see this door, look at the locks. You come here, you have lock. Come here, you have lock. All right, when you come here, you have lock up here. When you come this side here, you have a lock. You come this side, you have a lock. This is one of the best Israeli doors you have. The best Israeli doors. I kid you not. It's one of the best doors you could ever find. But it is expensive. All right, so when you come all the way to the staircase, all right, the staircase also, everything is done. Drywall all done straight. Okay, drywall is all done straight. You see the corners are all designed. All right, so here you come here, you have that. So it's all pretty much done. Drywall, it's all done throughout. So the masters, we came up with a simple, clean finish. The masters, simple, clean finish. All right, we boxed that in here. Now you come in here, we got it all done like that. And then we did a nice drywall plasterboard design with the lights. Now you open this side, you have a nice balcony. Nice balcony right there. You see the gentleman right there, that's how. So here is gonna be a glass that when you wanna have like air or you wanna sit and just chill, then everything will be right up here, okay? So right from the masters, then you do have a room right here. So this room also pretty much done. It's all simple. Just keep it simple. You know, keep it simple. Big windows, from up to down, big windows. Big windows throughout. Big windows, so air comes in left and right. Big windows, finish, good finish. Okay, so there will be a door we have to put in here. And when you come this side too, there's another big window. So here we did a door here, but then they did this around a stereo case, like a spiral case, my bad, a spiral case. Sorry, a spiral staircase. We have to put so you could literally get access to the pool from this balcony. There's a balcony that we have here, and that's the bathroom for that room here, and that's the AC unit. Okay, and then so pretty much all this done under 2 weeks. All this under 2 weeks. He's getting the finishing done. All right, he is getting things done here, all the side. He is still working and he's getting the whole thing done. All right, so when you come all the way here, all right, so the finishing, he's getting the finishing, the side door, the door finishing done. And then here, he's also getting this thing. We're also trying to, because this was an add-on that we came up with. Okay, that's the best. This gentleman here, he gets everything done. Regards to plastering, finishing look, he does a great job. I highly recommend him. Chris, his name is Chris. People that they will go extra mile for you. So guys, if this is your first time, do subscribe to the channel. This is the recap, basically recap of what we've done under 2 weeks, all right? So this is what we've done under 2 weeks. The gentleman up there, though, he is still, look at the time, he is still there, pushing it, getting their thing done. But they know when you come, you're trying to get as much as possible things done, all right? So that'll be the gate, the pool, the septic, and then the plastering. and then the painting. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. Peace out.